how the HTTP request flow in the Django application. Whenever user provided any request, first it will be goes to the in application urls.py. From the URLs, it is going to the corresponding view. From the view, whatever written response, it will be provided to the end user as a response. This is the Django HTTP request flow. This one we discussed into our last class. Anyone practiced yesterday? Yes, sir. Sir, now a single application can contain multiple views. Means single application with multiple views. Because up to now only one view function we created inside inside we have to created multiple views, single app with multiple views how to provided. So first same steps. ఇదిగోండి wherever you can go, steps are these steps only. Create the project, తర్వాత application, next add settings, function, URLs, start server. So first one, create the project. Go to the command prompts. Here cd dot dot. Our project is django 14th November 7:30 p.m. What is the command to create the project? django-admin start project. Project name, any name you can provide it there. For example, jobs project అనుకుందాం. cd, go to the folder. py manage.py. How to create app? Start app. What is the app name? Jobs is the app name. Any name you can give your wish. So first one is, this is the first one, creation of the project. Second one, create an application py manage.py start app jobs app. Third step, add our app. What is the app name? In settings.py. These three are common. First, creation of the project. Next, create one application. Add application to the project settings file. So go to your Atom or PyCharm VS Code. Wherever you are practicing, go to that IDE. Go to the, my ID is Atom. Whatever you are using, go to that one. Open this project. This one, the previous one. Close. Close, close. Sir, what is the project name? This is the project. Inside open settings. In the settings, first one, Go to installed apps. What is the app name? Jobs. Done. Three steps are done. What is the fourth one? Create a function. Declare the multiple functions in views.py. Because my concept is one application, multiple views. That is the concept. Multiple functions you have to define. How to define function? You know, def is the keyword. Function 1, function 2, function 3. Multiple functions you can define. Every function ki one URL is mandatory. So go to the views, sir. Views is available app level. In the first app, sorry. Jobs. Within the jobs, you can go to the views. In this, I have to create first function. Def is the function. My function name is Hyderabad jobs info. And I want to display Hyderabad jobs information. The first argument is request. And present, it is not used. Upcoming classes, I can use this argument. By using this argument, end user provide data I have to read. Any argument you can provide, but default argument is the request. I have to take one string, sir. That string HTML కాబట్టి I can provide it h1 tags. If it is not provided also no problem. Instead I want to write Hyderabad jobs information. This is my first function. How to send this string? Return is the keyword. If a given normal string, we are sending to the browser understandable language HTTP. Convert the string to the HTTP response object that is available in where? Django dot. What is the module name? HTTP. HTTP import. Sir, what is the class name? HTTP response is the class. We are creating object to this class. In the Python, how to create object? Class with parentheses. One object dot created. Internal I'm passing which one? Yes, done first function. How many functions you want? Create your own function. Second one, third one, fourth one. Second one, BNG. Bangalore. Third one, Pune. Fourth one, Bihar. Bihar. So four I can provide that four functions. Hyderabad jobs info, Bangalore, Pune, and Bihar. This is the your function. This is the code in the views.py. At the fourth step. For every function key, define URL. Start the server, send the request. Voice is not coming. Sir, why are you taking pass? So we have to define the functions. Four functions are there. If you want send request means every function one URL is required. How many functions are there? For every function pattern, one URL is mandatory. So final ga fifth step. URLs.py. Completed. So for these four functions, you can define four URLs. Go to the urls.py file. URLs. So here, how many functions are there? Those many URLs. First URL is HYD I can provided. Views dot. What is the function name? Hyderabad. Jobs info. The first URL Hyderabad. Second URL is Pune. Third one Bangalore. BNG. Fourth one Bihar. Bihar. But views is available where? From what is the folder name? Jobs. Import. What is the module name? Views. So jobs is the folder name, nothing but a package. Views is the module name .py. Inside Hyderabad, Pune apps are functions. So in urls.py, this is the code. This is the code of URLs. Final ga start server, send the request. What happens? Our voice is not coming and will come. Wait. Hmm. Here, so many offline students are there. They have to take the notes. Okay, you have to wait. Online students. So functions are ready. URLs are ready. After that, we have to start the server and send the request. How to start the server? Command py manage.py run server. Server will be started. So this is the IP address. Sir, first URL pattern Hyderabad. Second URL pattern Bangalore. Third URL pattern Pune. Fourth one Bihar. So which URL you can provide that corresponding page will be displayed. So on some matter will be displayed there. So first I'm go to Hyderabad jobs info. Next if I want to go to Pune ante corresponding page is opened. Pune jobs. Next if I want to go to the Bihar. Hyderabad jobs Pune Bihar. Next level upcoming classes I will display jobs also here in the form of table. Ante present inka we don't know models all the things. Just heading I displayed came not came. Next how to insert data, how to read job details, everything we have to provide it. So this is the basic story of a view contain multiple functions. Single app with multiple views. ఇవన్నీ నోసల once Hyderabad change all the remaining patterns. తర్వాత in the last class Saturday I'm asking one scenario based on the time good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anyone completed? Previous ఒకటే message it is coming good evening something whatever provided that one. So now I want to provide it based on that time. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night messages I want to provide it. For this. First one again, stop the server. Server is stopped. Go to back cd dot dot. It will goes to one step back. Go to the project folder. django hyphen admin start project. Project name is date time project. cd date time project. py manage.py start app. My app name is test app. So these are common. First creating the project, go to the project. తర్వాత add application. My application is test app in settings.py. So first one project I created. Next go to the corresponding project. created app. తర్వాత I am added test app into the settings. Next main thing, function. So only the code is Python code only, remaining everything same. How to take that date and time in the last class already discussed. Date time is the module. Inside date time is the class. Inside now is the function. By using that we are getting date time. But we are getting total date and time. Today date, month, year, hours, minutes, seconds. In that entire date and time, I want to read only hours. How to read the hours? Dot hours. So once you take the hours, then we will get it. If the hours less than 12 hours అయితే good morning అని, above 12 less than 4 అయితే good afternoon అను, above 4 to 9 good evening అను, above 9 అయితే good night. So based on the hours we need to calculate it. Completed. So go to here. Close these things. Date time. Open settings. Inside the installed apps, the first one is test app because map name test app. Go to test app, go to the views. So total logic will be here only there. Def is the keyword which is created function. Date time underscore info is the function. First argument is the request. I have to import the module. Module name is date. Time is the module. Date time. ఏమడింది ఓహో date time. Now I have to provide a date time is the module. Internally one class is there. Internally one function is there. First one module, second one class, third one function. I have to provide a date. What is the type of date? Type date time object. It is not string, not integer. From the date time object, I have to read only hours. How to do that one means date dot. It is one function is there. The function name is strf time is the predefined function. In this function, you have to provided what is required. Hours kabatti h you can take. Stored into one variable h. What is the type of h? Date time only. But whenever I am comparing, we are using the less than greater than symbols kabatti. Those are called as relational operators. Whenever if I am using relational operators, sir, both arguments should be either integers or strings. For example, 10 less than a. Is it valid or invalid? Invalid because one is integer, second one is the string. Sorry, boss. Are 10 less than 20? Valid. Yes less than a. Valid. False. So, but integer key, string key, invalid compatible types relational operators. So that's why here also same problem we are getting. I can use one typecasting function. What it is? Integer. You know typecasting functions into float, bool, string is there same. This total datetime object hours should be converted to which one? Integer type. So h is integer. Now take one message. What is the message? Common message first you have to provided h1 hello guest good bus. Next, if the h is less than 12 hours, we have to provided message plus equal to I have to provided good morning. What is the meaning? Concatenation. Message అనేది ఏంటిది one string. This is also one string. Message plus equal to meant for message equal to message plus hello guest good morning will came. If next condition. If hours is less than 16 అంటే 4 o'clock, then message plus equal to I have to provide that sir good evening. Good evening, good afternoon. If still hours is less than 21 9 o'clock, message plus equal to good evening. Else default action message plus equal to good night provided there. Now come outside. ఇప్పుడు starting we provided h1 tag kada. I'm not closing that one. Hello guest good morning good afternoon good evening good night. Message plus equal to close the tags. First one close the h1 tag. After that print one horizontal line. Sarvinda, because first I opened h1 I didn't close it. Every time I append. Last message I am appending h1 tag. One horizontal line will be displayed. Next, again I am adding something. Message plus equal to I can provided h1 tag. Babu, now the server time is what is the server time? I can provided date, but left side string, this is the datetime object not added converted to string format. Already last class we discussed, because left one is the string, the date object is datetime object, not possible. Concatenation means both should be strings only. Close the h1 tag. This is the final message. Return class is required. What is the class? From Django HTTP import HTTP response. Create this object here of inside what can I pass? Message. Is the function. Is the main code of views.py. So first project to add airport define function views. Import datetime HTTP response class. సరే ఇక్కడ హలో గెస్ట్ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ ఆల్రెడీ వచ్చింది కాబట్టి టేక్ వెరీ, బికాజ్ ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ రైటింగ్ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ కదా, మళ్ళీ అక్కడ ఇక్కడ 2 times ఇట్ విల్ బి ప్రింటెడ్. You can check Python date time function, date time module. that strf time function, then you will get clarity. You can ask about the datetime module. At the time of Python, we are explaining those things. strf time is the function which can be taken only hours. Sir, within the string, what is the meaning of percentage? String lo percentage the meaning ante formatted strings. Do you know formatted strings? Percentage formatting, str dot format f strings. మరి string లో percentage that is formatted strings. Still people are asking what is strf time, what is percentage. So once view is ready, we have to define the URL required. Yeah, you can do f string also. Next classes, next upcoming Django, I am using f string instead of normal string. Possible. Any string you can use, no problem. That is percentage str format f string. But highly recommended one f strings are. Nowadays everyone using f strings. Performance wise very fast, very concise code. Next time using f string. Wait. Finally, function ki one URL pattern is required. Completed. But then you can define one URL pattern for this function. Go to URLs. The URL pattern is I can provided time. The module name is views. What is the function name? Function name ఏమిచ్చాం? Date time info. Import statement from what is the app name? Test app. Import views. Start the server. If any mistakes are there, it will tell py manage.py run server. Server started, done. Copy this address, go to the browser. The URL pattern is time. Hello guest, good evening. Hello guest, very. So hello guest, very good evening. Now the time is 8 గంటల 16 నిమిషాలు. Now we have to change manually. I can make it as a morning 8 o'clock. Changed. Now refresh. Hello guest, very good morning. Now the time is morning 8:16. If I have to change time as afternoon 2 o'clock, then it will provided good afternoon. Already good evening we got the message. If I go to the 10 o'clock, it will tell good night boss. Now the time is 8 o'clock. Good evening came. The story of based on the time how to provided. The story. So that is how to provide the date and the time. Shivakumar, this code, are you written this code or chat GPT? Because I am not telling about this curling braces terminologies. What is the meaning of this curling brace? Sir, no. Sir, now, sir, once I am creating one project, inside one application I created, inside one view created. Yes, this is the project, this is the application, this is the view. For this view, I am defining one URL, user sending request to application manager. Now I have another application will be there. App 1 and the app 2. A1, A2. App 2 also I have one view is there. I want to define URLs for this and how to call the multiple apps. Single project with multiple applications. Process everything same. The only thing is at the time of URLs defining import statements only main thing here in this application. Because same view multiple applications are there. Views also same file only. How to call these? Now my application, my scenario is previous ga first one ఏం చేసాం ఫస్ట్ ది సింగిల్ అప్లికేషన్ విత్ మల్టిపుల్ వ్యూస్ నో సింగిల్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ విత్ మల్టిపుల్ యాప్స్ నౌ సినిమా సింగిల్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ విత్ మల్టిపుల్ యాప్స్. So how to call that views into the our project? Okay. Only thing is you import statements you have to tell. Okay. First project. ఇవన్నీ కామన్ థింగ్స్ see this. Stop the server, Control C. It will stop the server. CLS, clear the screen, go to the step back cd dot dot. Django hyphen admin start project multi app project. Multiple applications with single cd multi app project. Py manage.py start app. My app name is first app. Same. I have another app. What is the app? Second app. I have two apps are there. That is the project. Go to project, create app. ఇప్పుడు add both apps. First app and second app in settings. First app, second app, settings.py. ఇక్కడ వరకు కామన్. నెక్స్ట్ ఫంక్షన్ ఆల్సో కామన్. ఓన్లీ యూ కెన్ టేక్ కేర్ అబౌట్ urls.py. How to import the statements. That is only main thing in this application. Remaining all are common. Nisha Yadav, sir, voice is not coming. E- Sir, now one project is there, two apps are there, first app and second app. So every app ki views are common. So first app lo you can create one function, second app lo you can create. The first view I can consider as first app lo I want to go to views.py. తర్వాత సెకండ్ యాప్లో కూడా వ్యూస్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఇన్ దట్ ఆల్సో ఐ హ్యావ్ టు డిఫైన్ వన్ ఫంక్షన్ సో గో టు ద ఫస్ట్ యాప్ వ్యూస్ డాట్ పీవై ఫైల్ completed. Go to the atom, close this, come to the multi-app project, open settings, come to here, add two applications compulsory. What is the first one, sir? First app, comma, go to second app, added. So ఇక్కడ కూడా you can check it left side. I have two apps are there. First app and second app. Every app ki views are there. ఇదండి సెకండ్ యాప్కి కూడా వ్యూస్ ఆర్ దేర్. సో అక్కడ ఒక ఫంక్షన్ యూ కెన్ డిఫైన్ ఇన్ దిస్ వ్యూ. డిఫైన్ ఫంక్షన్ డెఫ్ విష్ వన్ అనుకోండి. ద ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ ఈస్ రిక్వెస్ట్. జస్ట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు రిటర్న్ HTTP response from django.http import http response. Response. Sir, direct with this class HTTP response is the class create object. Internal you can pass direct string also, no problem. Previously I am taken string, I am passing as a argument h1 tag. Internally, hello, this is from which application? First application, first app. Done. This is the code in first app. Take this one. Same. Go to second app use.py, implement one more function. Because every app have different views are there. And, sir, go to second app, okay? Second app views also, in every app views models all are common, but URLs are only one is available, project level, okay? Go to second app views. Define one function def, the function name wish to request. Here also from Django HTTP import HTTP response. Return HTTP response object I am creating, passing h1 tag, close the h1 tag. Internally, I can write some message. That message is hello, this is from second application. Done. This is only the code in app 2. Completed. Both are done. Only the thing is urls.py. How to define URLs? That you have to tell. So first applo function name is wish1. Second applo function name is wish2. I want to define two URLs. Wish1 for first key, wish2 for second one. How to created URLs? For example, see sir, carefully. URLs is only one available there. Go to URLs. Here, I want to provide it. First one, the URL pattern is wish1 sir. I have to go with views dot wish one. Next, wish two. For this, wish two. From, sorry, not the app. First app. Import views. Second, from second import views. Completed. From the first app use, second app use views.wish1 views.wish2. Is it correct or no? No? Run the server. If you are getting any error, you did a mistake. Otherwise, it will be started successfully. Start the server. You are getting error. Read the error carefully. First of all, the error name is, read this one. What is the error? Attribute error. Sorry, boss. The module second app use has no attribute wish1. Adenti. In the second app, wish function contains second app. What is the function? అని వాడు ఏమంటున్నాడు? విష్ టూ లేదు విష్ వన్ అంటున్నాడు. అసలు మై ఫంక్షన్ ఏం విష్ టూనే కదా. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాబ్లం? Here what is the problem? Now already I'm given first app imported views, second app imported views. Multi-app is the project name. First app is the folder name. Second app is the folder name. The problem is what they are telling means here, Babu, second app wish views as attribute which one? Wish one. Did you mean wish two? Then what is the meaning means? First of all, you are imported this statement from first app import wish, fine, nice. Second time, whenever you are importing from second app view, it is overridden this view. So it will consider which one? Second app only. But you are calling views of which one? That is the wrong they are telling. But it is because of line number 19 overriding, because always last in Python, you know, Python supported method overloading, not supported. The reason is, if multiple methods having the same name, which method it is considered? Last method. If multiple constructors are there, last one. If multiple arguments are there, same name, last one considered. Here also, second app view is overridden the first app. but second app contain wish to, but I'm calling which function? Wish one. Adi vaadu adugutundi. So it is overridden the second one with first one. For that, what I was doing is, what to do now here? First, ఏం చేయొచ్చు? First app dot, okay. What is the meaning of this one? As V1, as V2. Aliasing name. అంటే ఫస్ట్ వ్యూస్ యాజ్ V1, సెకండ్ వ్యూస్ యాజ్ V2. మెంబర్ aliasing, మాడ్యూల్ aliasing లో మెంబర్ aliasing ఆల్రెడీ డిస్కస్డ్. కెన్ ఐ కాల్ దిస్ వన్ విత్ V1? కెన్ ఐ కాల్ దిస్ వన్ విత్ V2? V2. Go to the server, automatically server restarted. Fine, no errors. So now copy the URL pattern. What is the first function? Wish one. I'm getting response from first application. If I go to wish two. This is from first application, this is from second application. So here only the thing is import. This is the one approach. There are multiple approaches are there. I can use from import statement different ways, different styles are there. Not only this is the final approach, this is the one approach. Okay, this is the first way. Then whatever you are telling, app name dot views import function, a particular function also I want imported. That one also we discuss in our regular classes. So this is one approach. I can, because of the second way is overriding, I'm given aliasing name calling that. What is the second way? From a particular module, how to import a particular function? Package name dot module name import star or function name. That is also valid. So whatever you are comfortable, you can use it. Any approach is no problem. Anything we can use. That's why I'm telling now, in this application, entire thing only import statements. That project, function, all are common only. Same URL if you can take, last URL which function pointing to, that one will be considered, Shivkumar. In Python, you can define same URL, same variable, same method, same constructor. Last one which is pointing to that one. For example, his doubt is, sir, I am given here wish, here wish. Which will execute? Second one will be executed, because always last one only considered in the Python. Remaining all will be overridden. That is the rule of Python. That's why Python method overloading, constructor overloading not supported. Alternative way is there. Python supported only operator overloading. Can you please post previous class links? Or who are missing starting classes, this is the previous class links in Telegram. Already I'm uploading daily notes. Go through that one. Sir, what is the second approach? Means same, but one more thing is idigonde. This is the package dot, what is the module name? Views. Import, what is the function name? Wish one. Same. Second app dot package name dot module name import a particular function. What is the function? Wish to. Now aliasing names not required. Remove this one. This is also valid approach. Now server restarted. Now you can send the request. Same, we are getting the message. Here also same message we are getting. So like Only thing is import statements. Anything you can use. In that star also you can provide. But only one function is that same given wish one, wish two. If we give star also, valid. Google Classroom still not created. Once created, I will provide Google Classroom. How can I know the server started, not started? Very good. Yesterday notes was not uploaded. Yesterday there is no class. Sir, present I'm uploading the Telegram. Online students, especially who are the not attended my Python classes, because who are attending my Python class, they are all in the Telegram. Who are not attending classes, you can join this Telegram. I will send the notes in that one. Online students. Because offline student maximum everyone in the Telegram. Online student join in this one. ఏంటి ఇది వచ్చింది? Sir, urls.py is available. Project level, app level. URLs, project level. Next concept is the main important concept is if I defining URLs in project level, the big headache is there is one project is there. This is the project. Inside there are so many chances will be there apps. First app, second app, third app, fourth app, fifth app, so on. 10 applications are there. Every applications ki view is there. Every application ki view is there. First view, here it is view, here view, here view. Sir, first project, okay na? This one app, blue is app. Inside, this is the view function. Views, views. A view can contain how many functions? Any number of functions. Just now in the first class, one view contain 4 functions. Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Bihar, something na. Assume that my first app, first view contain 10 functions. Every time IP address is same. 10 functions. Second also 10 functions. Third also 10 functions. Total ga, I have 10 apps. Every view 10 functions. Overall project, how many functions are there? 100 functions are there because 10 applications. Every application one view. Every view contain 10 functions. Total 100 functions. All these 100 URLs you are mentioned in one file. What is that file? URLs. That URLs is available where? Project level. So project level, all 100 URLs you mentioned. Fine. Your project is working. Okay, done. Tomorrow, you started one more new project. Just like same project only. Here, First app, second app, third app, all are same. So you copied these three, simple pasted here. You no need to write any code. So 30 functions came directly. What about URLs? Is it coming URLs? No. URLs is available project level. App means first app, second app folders. Na? Copy that folder, paste it. Copy the folder, paste copy folder. Automatically views functions are coming, but URLs is not coming. So compulsory are define all 30 URLs again. Less reusability is there. Instead of defining project level, here itself only you have to create one file urls.py. Here file urls.py. Within app level URLs. Whenever copy app views and URLs is coming, not coming. Automatic. So that's why the next concept is a short example I will take tomorrow. Defining URL patterns at where application level instead of project level. The reason that is the problem. If multiple apps are there, if I want to use into some another one, then problem is coming. That's why we have to define URLs into the app level instead of project level. Main reusability purpose. If same application used into the multiple projects, less reusability is there. That's why we have to define in application level instead of project level. So based on requirement, we need to use it. Tomorrow I will tell that concept how to define URLs into app level instead of project level. So bye everyone. Tomorrow we will continue.